Oh, you can't hear or see me. Okay. OMG. Good morning. Hello. I've been here the whole time. I've been working for the last 12 minutes. OMG. It stinks being a boomer. I've been here the whole time. Just didn't hit the right button. Yuck, Ola. Oh gosh, it stinks. All right. Yes, potential 4-hour bear flag. And I got people messaging me, hey, Lori, you're not live. So sorry, Night Truck. Thank you. Hi. Yep, you got to get the likes to 50 before I can talk. I've been here the whole time. I've been prepping for 3 hours for this. Yikes. Okay, then I have to talk faster. Okay, so ES potential 4-hour bear flag. NASDAQ potential 4-hour bear flag. RTY potential 4-hour bear flag. And on Dow 4-hour potential bear flag. So we're looking at short overbought conditions on shorter term time frames. One liner, I think you meant Granny, Lori. Whoop whoop. Y'all are awesome. I appreciate the grace. I need a lot of grace these days, you know? We all do. So potential 4-hour bear flag on all of our Fab 4 indices. VIX is spiking. I've literally been here talking for 13 to 14 minutes before I hit the go live button. So we're looking for a 4-hour higher low on VIX. VIX has been spiking. In my opinion, this, from experience, this could be an opportunity to short. As long as 2331 resistance holds, it could be opportunity to short VIX. Hang Seng is down 1.1% overnight. DAX is currently down 0.86%. And we have jolts at 10 a.m. And I checked off everything bearish except for XLV. Okay, market trader. Have you ever had a bad day? I guess you've never had a bad day. Okay. You don't get it? All right. Understood. I'm just thinking, you never know what someone's going through. You don't know what their family's going through, what they're going through. So have grace. Oh, my girl Tammy. My girl Tammy's always driving when she's listening, and she jumps on to say, we love you. All right. So Bitcoin is weak. We're below the hourly 12 EMA. 4-hour lower high is the more likely scenario. We have lots of bear flags out there. On ETH, we're on our third 4-hour inside bar. It looks like a bear flag. Be careful with crypto. Dollar is strong. That is not a good thing for the market in general. We have plenty of room for a daily high or low. Oh, my girl Paula. Lusmar Night Truck, thank you. We have enough room for an hourly high or low on the dollar. The dollar, I'd be looking to short right now for a 4-hour lower high. Gold's not quite taking advantage of dollar somewhat weakness. We have enough room for a hourly high or low compared to 2502. Oil, we had some OPEC news this morning. I do know you so well, Tammy. This is the 1-year anniversary of my brother's passing. So, some people get a little discombobulated and they have emotional stuff going on, and you just need to be nice, be considerate, just be nice. We have plenty of room for an hourly high or low on oil. So oil has been super weak. We lost the monthly support yesterday of 69.50. We hit 69.19 overnight. And then there was some OPEC news that they may not increase production, and it caused a little small spike. And now we're coming back down again. Oil is heavy. Even with good news, I'm going to put in quotation marks. Even with good news, it still can't fight the bears. My Jill. Okay, so Nat gas. Nat gas looks good on the hourly. Shorter term time frame, 4-hour uptrend. Daily, we're looking for a lower high, so bears are looking to short Nat gas for a daily lower high. All right, Apple. Apple, we are touching the daily 50 MA. I just want to point that out over and over and over. And if you're in the TCG room, I will be taking you through live and market open, and I will be pointing this out over and over. I think this is critical to the market. This daily 50 MA on Apple. Potential hourly bear flag. Amazon. Amazon, we're looking for a daily higher low compared to 168.92. We do have the daily 200 MA as support. Love you all. Nvidia is what I'm watching as my number one trade idea this morning. I'm looking for a beach ball setup. I'm looking for a weekly higher low. 4-hour RSI is at 25. Potential bear flag, but I'm looking for extreme push down at open for a potential long on NVDA for a beach ball setup. Tesla. Tesla, we're gapping down. It's actually recovering pretty well compared to others. Hey, Duke. Thank you. We have the daily 50 MA overhead and the daily 200 MA below. 202.59 is an important support for us. So we're still gapping down. Looks like bulls are trying to step up right here. But remember, the opening fake outs are a big thing on Tesla. And we just have to know the nature of the stock that we're trading. Yesterday morning, I was calling it out. Hey, Tesla spiking up, but we know it tends to fake out. And that's exactly what it did. Okay, Queen of the Mountain. I'm here for you. Okay, so Queen of the Mountain CRM. Looking for a weekly higher low. We're looking for a weekly higher low, and 4-hour is oversold. And we're gapping down. I like CRM long. Google. Weekly higher low is possible compared to 154.93 and the weekly 50 MA. 4-hour is oversold. I like it as close to 255 as we can get it. I'm 155, sorry. 155 at the daily 200 MA. Good morning, Jules. How are you? On IWM, we're approaching the daily 50 MA. We've lost our daily support. Weekly higher low is a more likely scenario. And 4-hour approaching oversold. If we could get 4-hour oversold on the Russell, I would like it long as well. Nvidia is my favorite setup of the day. Looking for the beach ball setup. Looking for the weekly higher low with 4-hour oversold. And we're gapping down. This is my favorite setup of all setups. And then Tesla. Actually, on my list, I have SMH. SMH is very similar to Nvidia. Very similar. SMH, we're looking for a weekly higher low. 4-hour got oversold. Beach ball setup. I like SMH and Nvidia. Those are my top 2 setups for a long. It's been tough going, Sam. I'm sorry. What's been going on? I'm going back to make sure. Nvidia, diamond, bottom. I don't see a diamond bottom. You're saying on lower time frames? Is that what LTF means? Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I like Nvidia. It's my number 1 long idea for the day. It's my number 1 trade idea for the day. We want it to stay gapping down. I don't want it to open above 107.29. I want it to be like a beach ball that you're trying to push below the water and then it pops up. CGC. We lost support of 506 yesterday. Daily bear flag confirmed. Weekly downtrend. Monthly, it just looks weak. CGC looks weak. SMCI, of course. Hey, Alan, how are you? SMCI, it's just a classic daily bear flag. Below 395.18, it confirms. So they had the Hindenburg, right, short attack last week, and then the next day they said they're going to delay financials, and then yesterday they're like, oh, it was no big deal that we're delaying financials. It was just like normal and customary. So yeah, they don't look good this morning at all. Hey, Duke, I appreciate you supporting everyone. Yeah, SMCI doesn't look good. I think SMCI, I mean, this could be a 15-minute falling wedge, but I would put it on my overbought short list. So if it goes 5 or 15-minute overbought, I would be looking short. All right, I'm going to wrap it up and I'm going to go live for the TCG members, I hope, if I figure it out. Because obviously, I make mistakes and that's life. I appreciate you being here. If you could hit the like button before you leave, that'd be great. Follow me on X at CharkGalLori. And TCG members, I'll see you in 10 minutes.